Hello friends, welcome back to the many video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today we are going to talk about guys how can we enable guys raise to wake setting in our phone, and after enable guys how can we use. Today friends we are going to talk about it guys. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys, click the bell icon and like the video guys. So friends, now let's see guys how can we enable guys raise to wake mode setting guys, and how can we use open your phone setting guys. Then guys scroll it. First click on guys your phone lock screen setting guys, tap here. And friends again scroll. Friends you can see guys your raise to wake mode setting guys. We will enable from this right side icon, tap here. So we will enable from here, and friends come back. So friends you can use guys your like raise to wake setting when you will take guys your phone. So like that guys your screen will on automatic guys. So like that guys you can enable guys your raise to wake setting in your phone, and guys you can use it. So that's it guys. Thanks for watching the video. Bye bye friends. I hope friends you have understood how to enable raise to wake mode.